Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to go get chicken eggs, but before I do, let me show you something that happened today. We got our gate almost finished. All we have to do is the openers. We got the welcome sign on one side and then our numbers on the other side. And I can't wait. You can see down there, there's a solar light. So once it gets dark, it'll flash from the inside out. And people will be able to see what the number is that they're coming up. I'm thinking Amazon drivers, stuff like that. So I'm super stoked. Can't wait till it gets dark so I can see it. So let's go over here to the chicken area. I have flip-flops on because, oh, let me show you this. My feet and my bottom of my legs are super sunburnt. Oh, I just did not video a whole bunch. Let's see, where did I leave off? Oh yeah, sunburnt feet. So yeah, we went to Cabo. I got burnt. It is what it is. I'm coming into the chick run here. Let me turn you around. There goes our Roo. All right, we have 3 of you. Where's, oh, 4. I'm missing one. Oh, there he is. Or she. I'm thinking this one right here is gonna be a rooster. This one is a mixed breed. It's half Bantam, half Polish. Got a lot of Bantam looking, little Polish looking. Yeah, that one's gonna be a female, I think. So hopefully only one Roo. We'll see. Okay, I had to do the chicken eggs off camera because it's not easy to do with one hand, especially when you have a rooster involved. Let me close this gate. Sorry about that. I'm trying to hold the eggs between my legs. Oh my gosh. Here they are. That's one gate. Oh, it's been a while since I've done some videos. It hasn't been that long, but obviously one-handed is not easy when you have other things to hold in your other hand. Here, I'm going to put this over here on the trailer. Come back over here. I didn't think that my face looked all that red. It's been, we got home, today's Sunday, we got home Thursday. And now my face is showing. Oh well, it is what it is, sorry. Super close up. Anywho, I will come back after it gets dark and do a video from the outside to show you guys, because I'm super excited. And then we'll get this out. It'll be a nice short one. So thanks for joining me, and well, I'm gonna close out on the next one, so hang tight. I'll be right back in YouTube world. It'll take a second. Okay, it's dusk. The lights are on. Unfortunately, I think it needs to be darker. Let's see if I go over to the side. Dang it. Well, let me try again in a little bit. There it is from the back side. So the lights are shining, but I just don't think it's dark enough. So we'll see. I think what I'm gonna do is just take a picture and post it on into this. And so I'm gonna go ahead and close out. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.